Hi, Roger here again. Welcome back to my channel. In the video today, I'm going to show you how to do a speed test. And the thing is that sometimes you need to do a speed test for various reasons. You may be having, for instance, a technical challenge. It may be that your speed has dropped. Your internet is actually running slower than it actually ought to be running, and you need to verify the speed so you can start troubleshooting the problem. You may also need to remind yourself as to what speed, broadband speed you're running. To do so, to check your internet speed, go to your browser and you're going to type speed test. This is a good site to do your speed test on, and it is speedtest.net. Click there. Okay, from this screen, you're going to click go. And what is going to happen is that for the download, it's going to do a download. So some packets will be downloaded from a remote server. You have some thunder in the background. I wonder if you're hearing it. All right, so it is saying that my download speed is 27.43 megabits per second. Now it's calculating the upload speed. All right, so almost finished. There you have it. So my upload speed is 10.18 megabits per second. So that is how you actually go about checking your internet speed. My speed has actually dropped. I did a test a few minutes ago because we've been having a bit of power cut here. It was actually a bit higher before. Now, your internet speed, of course, will be impacted by various environmental factors, so you have to bear that in mind. That is how you check your broadband speed. You go to your browser, type in speed test, and as I mentioned, you can check speedtest.net. All right. Again, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe. And see you again in the next video. I'm Roger. Take care.